Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. And you're having a trouble connecting to PIXMA TS3300? I get it. It can feel a bit confusing. But no worries. I'm going to show you step by step how to get your printer connected to your Wi-Fi. So without any further talks, let's start. First things first, make sure your printer is turned on. Now press the setup button 11 times to display menu 11 on the screen. Alright, now press the color button. This will reset your Wi-Fi setting. Don't worry, that's totally normal. Next, press and hold the button with the mobile icon for about 15 seconds. Just hold it down and wait. Once that's done, you'll see the Wi-Fi icon blinking on your printer's display. That means we're ready to connect. Grab your phone and open your Wi-Fi settings. Give it a few seconds to scan for nearby devices. When you see your Canon printer pop up in the list, just tap on it to connect. Now, head over to your App Store and search for Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. Once you find it, go ahead and hit install. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll see a license agreement. Read it and tap on agree. Next, you'll get some service information. Just read it through quickly and tap on agree. Note: ensure the app has permission to access the setting it requests. On the home screen of the app, tap on Add Printer icon in the left top corner. If a pop-up says Wi-Fi setup preparations are complete, perform Wi-Fi setup. Just tap on OK. Wait a few seconds and you'll see a Select Wireless Router page. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Type in your Wi-Fi password, tap on OK, and you're done.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.